All right, so let's jump into this problem. The equation above has solution x equal to n plus the square root of k and x equal to n minus the square root of k, where n and k are positive integers. What is the value of n plus k? All right, now the fact that this is a quadratic equation and the zeros are the solutions going to be in that format, that is telling me that we need to use a quadratic formula. So let's just do a quick refresh of the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is going to be x equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. That's a quadratic formula. So here we need to figure out what a, b, and c is. A is going to be equal to 1, b is going to be equal to negative 2, and c is going to be equal to negative 1. So using the formula now, we're going to have x equal to minus b, so that's minus negative 2, so that's going to simply be 2 plus or minus the square root of b squared, so that's going to be negative 2 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c, which is negative 1, all divided by 2a, which is 2 times 1, which is just 2. Now that's going to give me 2 plus or minus square root. Now here we're going to have negative 2 squared, which is going to be 4, and then here we have negative 4 times 1 times negative 1, that's going to give me positive 4, all divided by 2. Now to simplify, we're going to get 2 plus or minus the square root. Now here, since we have this written twice, we know that this here is going to simply be 2 times 4 and divided by 2. To simplify, let me change up my colors. To simplify this, we're going to continue. So here we're going to have x equal to 2 plus or minus. Now taking the square root of 4, that's going to be 2 square root of 2. And then we're going to have that divided by 2. Divide everything now by 2. We're going to get x equal to 2 into 2 is 1 plus or minus the square root of 2. So in this case, we understand now what n, or see what n and k is. So let's use green. So my n going to be equal to 1 and my k going to be equal to 2. So n plus k going to simply be equal to 2 plus 1, which is going to be equal to 3. And that completes my problem.